What's going on, guys? I'm coming back with another video. Still has to do with this freaking harness, okay? I haven't put this video out yet on the repair, but check it out. To this vehicle was replace the whole front end harness, fan controller, and the harness. No, fan assembly, controller, harness. So yeah, y'all see I have my ignition on right now. Y'all see in there stuff is on, right? I'm not even gonna cut. I'm just gonna come straight over here, okay? Everything's plugged in, right? Plugged in, relay, and fans are not on, okay? You see that? Fans are not on. Now, I'm gonna get in there with my computer and I'm going to turn the fans on and see if they work, okay? And we'll get to the issue here after I do this, all right? So bear with me and we'll do it right now. I set the duty cycle of the fans at 100%. Y'all see that? The fans are on, okay? Now, I'm gonna put something back in and we will see what the issue is that I'm having a problem with, okay? So bear with me right quick and I'll show y'all. Okay, now, I put something back in the vehicle. All right. Now I'm gonna turn the ignition on. Ignition is now on. Now check this out. I haven't even messed with the computer. The computer's not even hooked up. Okay. The fans are full blast. Fans are full blast. Remember, they spliced their own harness. Put a freaking fan control connector in there, an aftermarket fan controller and fan assembly right there, guys. Okay, this is everything that I had done. So in this IPDM, the fan relay is grounded and powered by the IPDM. Okay, with that being said, when they spliced in their harness, they probably shorted it out. They probably cut. The only fuse for the fan circuit is the inline fuse. Or the fusible link for the actual fans, the high amperage fans. Okay. So I'm probably thinking it's a, what's it called? A transducer. A transducer that turns the relay on, okay? Which is basically an electronic switch inside the computer of the IPDM. So they shorted that out, which is causing the relay to stay on at all times. This is a pulse width modulated relay, and it is at 100%, but being commanded at 10%. So by them putting this harness in here, it shorted out the IPDM, incorrect fans, incorrect controller, and now we just got fans operating at all the time. So now I have to sell them an IPDM, or they could just take the vehicle as is. Their fans are going to be on all the time, and it's probably going to burn them up. That's not good. So I gotta do what I gotta do. I'll keep y'all updated in a short video. FM fam, what's going on? I got quite a bit of work right now. All right, let's get straight to the fucking chase, the money chase. All right, we're gonna start it off right here by taking this wheel off. Oh, first try. And all it takes is a crates.
Hey, check this out.
Whoa.
I gave you 10 a week ago. You told me that you got me when
Most
you
underrated tool right here.
I've been waiting patiently cause you my homie, bro. But times is getting hard, so I'ma need to see that cheddar though. You ain't been picking up, you finding escapes. I might have to white you out just like you Colgate. You been ducking at the crib thinking that you safe, but little do you know I'm posted right up in your driveway. I'ma beat you up, I'ma tear you down. I'ma turn your little smile into a big ol' frown. Yeah. Cause evidently you don't wanna send a message now. And you holding to my money like you Oscar proud. I'ma find you, and I'ma get you. I'ma stick into your head just like I'm Cantu. It's a couple things in life I'll make amends to, but owing me some money, hell no, this a no can do. 17. Yeah.
Alright guys, so we're gonna start with the dry belt. It's probably the easiest thing to do right now. Let's get this thing off.
Give me my money. Day 10. At this point, I'ma have to just keep your face in. Damn, you think I forgot about all them payments? Boy, I'm on your ass with my mask on just like I'm Jason. I know that you bound to get complacent. Pop out the smoker, ask Tay-Tay about how her day went. Just know I've been plotting and I've been waiting. Might hit you with the orange Bronco just like I'm Peyton. You need to get my money, come on. This ain't no sweet like Papa need to get my bread in no song. You want IG and your Da Vinci and your shirts be long. But in real life, you broke it in up on George Tibula bone. I know you gon' pay me when the time's right. But the time is now, I'm finna knock out your life. Got you thinking, shoulda never tweaked on me twice. And had you curving up that hill just like a turnpike. Give me my money and stop playing.
You know, once you have the belt on, make sure that all the splines are lined up. You don't want no issues with that. Release the tensioner. Woo. And voila. The most difficult thing about that is gaining access to be able to do it. You got all these clips, fender liner, for what? But that was all the work I had for today, guys. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. I'm sorry if I let y'all on. My bad. But I need content. This is the only content I can do. Alright. Oxidation on the drop belt. Do a video on this. Alright, so this seal, they did not approve these. Is there sufficient pressure for them? Well, I got a whole bunch of parts right there. And then I bought this one because it was a special edition one time.